Hey guys, Gary here with Automatic Door and Hardware, and today I thought I'd talk about what are door closer sizes. So, depending on what type of commercial door closer you've purchased, whether it be a fixed spring door closer or an adjustable spring door closer, the spring is sized. With the fixed spring door closer, you have a fixed spring in there that's sized either that's sized to essentially 1 through 5, where you could have a fixed spring size 1 door closer, fixed spring size 2, fixed spring size 3, and so forth. With the adjustable door closer, the spring, it has a certain size spring within the door closer that can be adjusted to have the appropriate tension to meet either size 1, size 2, size 3, size 4, or size 5, or even size 6. How it works is the door closer has the spring within the closer body, and at the end of the closer body is a spring tensioner, which is either an Allen key or sometimes a turn dial, and you screw in a plate which compresses the spring to vary the spring tension. So from a buyer standpoint or an installer standpoint, a adjustable spring size door closer, I would say, is always the better option, just because you never know what the door application may call for. You know, whether you're working on a 36-inch door, a 42, or maybe even a 48-inch door. Is it interior or is it exterior? Is there weather stripping on the door? What kind of binding is there? All these different factors can contribute and affect how the door will need to close. So, in my opinion, I would say to anybody who's in the market for a door closer, try to go for the adjustable spring door closer. They are a little bit more, but they'll save you a lot of hassle rather than getting a fixed spring door closer, where if you choose the wrong spring size, there's nothing you can do. You just have the wrong door closer. To give you an idea, though, of the actual spring sizes and how they affect the door type or door size, I have here, a generic door closer spring size chart. Now, this can vary between manufacturers, so always look at the manufacturer's installation instructions or any kind of diagrams that they provide, and they should explain what door size they recommend for their spring size. But in general, if you have a spring size 1 door closer, that's going to be good for, interior door sizes that are about 32 inches wide. It's not going, and if it's an exterior door for size 1, you're looking at a 28-inch outswinging door. So, 32-inch interior, 28-inch exterior, those aren't, big doors. So, with ADA compliance, the door's at least 36 inches. So no one should really be buying a size 1 door closer unless they have that kind of door size, which would really only be found on an interior residential style door. Next size would be size 2 spring, and that you would be looking at, depending on, again, the manufacturer model, you're looking at an interior door size of 32 inches to 36 inches, just depending on, again, the manufacturer and how heavy the door is. But the exterior door size would be outswinging door of 32 inches and an interior door swing of 28 inches. And that's with regular arm installation. So, even though it specifies 36 inches, if you go to parallel arm or a hold open arm, you're looking at a 32-inch interior door. So even a size 2, you typically will not see on a commercial door application. Now the size 3 door closer, you will probably come across, for this, generically speaking, on a size 3 door closer, you can do a parallel arm installation on a 36-inch interior door. Or you could do the regular arm installation on a 42-inch interior door. Again, those are interior doors, so if your door is an exterior door for size 3, it's only going to be good for about a 36-inch regular arm installation or a 32-inch parallel arm installation. So you do come across size 3s. I would say those are more common. Now a size 4 door closer, those are good for interior doors ranging anywhere from 42 inches to 48 inches wide. Exterior doors for size 4 would be good for regular arm installation 42-inch wide, and then parallel arm installation 36-inch wide, and that's for exterior outswinging doors. And then finally, for a size 5 spring, you'd be looking at a regular arm installation, a 54-inch up to a 54-inch interior door, and up to a 48-inch regular arm installation outswing exterior door. So those kind of give you an idea. Again, your best bet is to open the installation manual and verify the door sizes, because they do differ, and there are many other factors that contribute to the closing speed of a door, whether it be friction from the door sweep, or are the door hinges worn out. Tons of different factors. So that's why we always recommend go with an adjustable spring size door closer, because you won't lose. You'll be able to figure out exactly what you need, and you'll have it on hand. You won't be stuck with a specific spring size. And with that being said too, you don't just want to carry around in your van a size 5 fixed spring door closer and install it on smaller doors. That would not be safe, because the door would close much too quickly and could be dangerous or a safety hazard. So again, look for the adjustable spring door closer. We do sell these at Automatic Door and Hardware. We sell Commando brand, which is our brand, commercial door closers, and we only sell adjustable spring size door closers for this reason. With the fixed spring size door closers, many building owners or contractors will be attracted to it initially because of the price, but they may not read the details that the spring is actually fixed, or they may not understand it. Door closers although they seem simple, if you're not in the door hardware industry and you don't know what to look for, they can be complex. One of the main things you want to do when purchasing a door closer is make sure you get the right size, and this can be solved just simply through buying an adjustable spring door closer. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Thanks.